Make a splash with creative summer open house ideas. For this month's Agent Advantage, we're going to give you some tips and tricks to really help elevate your summer open houses. Summer is one of the busiest times for your buyers, but it's also one of the hottest. If you're hosting open houses this season, a few simple touches can really help create a memorable experience that keeps visitors engaged and helps your listing stand out. So here are a few tips and tricks to help stand out this summer. Tip number 1, create a cool welcome. Offer a small refreshment station, maybe with some cold bottled water or maybe some sparkling bubbly waters. Provide shade if your guests are going to be outside at any point, especially if the backyard has a really great entertaining area, or if it's going to be a pop-in open house and they're going to be waiting outside. Also arrive a little bit early and make sure the home feels cool and comfortable well before anyone arrives. Tip number 2 is to really lean into those summer aesthetics. Think popsicles, lemonade stands, maybe some coastal or beach accents, especially if that's the market that you're in, or also seasonal florals or other seasonal pieces. The key is to stay memorable and top of mind, which is also really great for any social content that you want to create. Work smarter and not harder, and find ways that all of these different elements can all come together for your business strategy. Tip number 3 is to really focus on the outdoor spaces. With it being summer, the weather is a lot nicer. Everybody wants to think of themselves spending more time outside. If there are patios, stage them. Showcase those patios, decks, and outdoor entertaining spaces. Let the people visiting these homes know that this is a space that they can see themselves entertaining in. If there's a patio table, set it. Showcase how this could be a great backyard entertaining space. Think string lights, bonfires, backyard barbecues. If there's a pool, add some floaties in there. Really show how this could be a really fun and unique space. I feel like I'm not seeing enough people really utilizing and capitalizing on these entertaining spaces in houses if they're showing them. So really turn up the fun and people will really remember that. Tip number 4 isn't just good in the summer, but it's great all year round, and it's to partner with local businesses. Think of this as a collaborative opportunity to expand beyond the real estate market, to partner with businesses that you really care about. Invite a local coffee shop to provide samples, maybe a bakery to provide some snacks, to really elevate and have that sponsored refreshment station. You're not only supporting local, but you're also showcasing local businesses that are located around the home. By supporting local businesses, you're creating a sense of community and increasing more exposure. Tip number 5 is to make it Insta-worthy. I like to tell people, pics or it didn't happen. If you create these memorable experiences, you want to make sure you're showcasing them to be remembered long after the event happens. Have photo ops, whether it be a photo opportunity with some props, using seasonal signage, but also encouraging people to check in and share their photos as well is going to create this social opportunity that's going to want other potential buyers to come visit your future open houses. If both yourself and potential clients are creating and sharing this content, this is essentially a free advertisement. Tip number 6 is to follow up while experience is still fresh. First of all, make sure people are checking in. We are in a digital age now, so I definitely recommend that your check-ins be digital, either through a digital lead capture app or a standard form. So it's easy to pull that contact information in and send that mass communication, whether it be an email or a text. I also recommend making sure this is done same day so you stay top of mind. If you're not sure what to say, make sure you have something drafted up beforehand. Share listing details, neighborhood highlights, or a little recap of the event if you had fun little pieces happening there. This is also a great way to connect with visitors who may be interested in future listings. The key to remember here is that the open house does not end as the guests leave. So to wrap this up, summer buyers are active, and a little creativity can go a long way. By creating a comfortable and memorable experience, you can attract more visitors, generate a stronger engagement, and help your listing stand out all season long.